There are very few vehicles in the history of the world that have earned the title of legend, but the Toyota Hilux is undoubtedly one of them. For over 50 years, it has been the gold standard for toughness. It has conquered the North Pole, survived volcanoes, and been the backbone of workforces around the globe. But the automotive landscape is changing. Emissions regulations are tightening, and drivers are demanding more technology and comfort than ever before. Toyota has answered the call. The 2026 Toyota Hilux has officially been launched, and it marks the biggest evolution in the truck's history. It promises a modern design that turns heads, a rugged build that can still handle the worst punishment, and for the first time, genuine fuel-saving performance. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the 2026 Hilux to see if the indestructible truck has successfully entered the modern era. Let's start with the modern design, because the 2026 Hilux has completely shed its skin. The previous generation, while capable, had a somewhat rounded, polite look. The new 2026 model is aggressive, boxy, and unapologetic, drawing heavy inspiration from its North American cousin, the Tacoma and the Tundra. The new Hilux sits on the TNGA-F global truck platform. The front fascia is dominated by a massive hexagonal grille that integrates seamlessly with the new C-shaped LED headlights. These aren't just for show. They are matrix LEDs that can block out light for oncoming traffic while keeping the high beams on for maximum visibility. The hood is sculpted with muscular lines, and the wheel arches feature rugged composite cladding that protects the body from rock chips. It looks wider, taller, and much more planted. It's a design that says, I can go anywhere, whether that's a construction site or a downtown restaurant. But a truck is useless if it isn't tough. This brings us to the rugged build. Toyota knows that the Hilux reputation is built on durability, so they haven't messed with the formula. They've reinforced it. The chassis is stiffer than before, utilizing high-strength steel to reduce body flex during extreme off-roading. The suspension has been retuned, while it retains a double wishbone front and leaf spring rear setup for maximum load carrying capacity. The shock absorbers have been moved to the outboard position to improve stability and ride comfort. We are also seeing improved underbody protection. The 2026 Hilux comes with thicker steel skid plates as standard on the 4x4 models, protecting the vitals, the engine, transmission, and fuel tank from serious impacts. The approach and departure angles have been optimized, ensuring you don't scrape that handsome new bumper on steep inclines. It is still the workhorse, just built with better materials. Now let's talk about the biggest change: fuel-saving performance. In the past, Hilux and fuel economy were rarely used in the same sentence. But the 2026 model introduces Toyota's game-changing 48-volt mild hybrid diesel system. Here is how it works. Toyota has taken the legendary 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine and paired it with a compact electric motor generator and a lithium-ion battery. This isn't a plug-in hybrid. You don't need to charge it. The system recovers energy when you brake and uses it to assist the engine. The result is brilliant. The electric motor provides an instant torque boost when you step on the gas, smoothing out the acceleration and reducing the strain on the diesel engine. This improves fuel efficiency by roughly 10% to 15% depending on your driving style. It also powers the stop-start system, making the engine restart incredibly smooth and quiet at traffic lights. You get the towing power of a diesel with the efficiency of a much smaller engine. It is a win-win for your wallet and the environment. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Hilux has finally caught up to the 21st century. The utilitarian plastic dashboard is gone, replaced by a modern layout featuring a 12.3-inch multimedia touchscreen. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can navigate to your job site or campsite with ease. The driver gets a fully digital instrument cluster that displays off-road data like pitch, roll, and power distribution. The seats are more supportive, designed to reduce fatigue on long drives, and the sound insulation has been beefed up to make the cabin significantly quieter. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 is standard, bringing pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane trace assist to the lineup. It's tough, but it's also safe for the family. So, is the 2026 Toyota Hilux the best mid-size truck on the market? It combines the toughness we expect with the modern tech and efficiency we need. It proves that you can teach an old dog new tricks. What do you think of the new look? Is the mild hybrid system enough to keep the diesel dream alive? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this detailed review, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more automotive news. Thanks for watching, stay tough, and we will see you in the next one.